Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm pretty sure, well, at least I know who this is from, but I don't know what knives are in there, so we're going to check it out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's, of course, a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. Right there's a good place to cut. And there's one. Oh, are there three? I thought there were only two in here. All right, we got three concepts. I was excited to check out Concept Knives because they are a company that I think is swiftly rising in popularity. They are bringing some serious quality to the table, and they've got some pretty interesting designs. There have been some designs that I've been, and then there's been some designs where I was like absolutely 100% on board with. So I'm always interested to see exactly, what they are bringing to the table. What do we want to start with? I'll link Concept Knives down below, and any of the knives that I unbox here, right, if they are available, I will provide specific links for them. I'm going to open up this one first. Very Samsung cell phone case-esque packaging. That's fine. All right, what do we have here? Come on, almost there. Ooh, boy. Look at the carbon fiber on this guy. Goodness. Very cool. Nice, what I'm going to assume is a titanium pocket clip. T8 screws. Very happy with that. Oh, boy. It's not exactly... Now I'm remembering this. Yeah, I'm absolutely remembering that blade shape. Wild. They asked me, they said, do you want to look at this? And I said, yeah, I do, because it's just weird enough, right? Looks interesting. And it's because of their quality, that I wanted to. I mean, truthfully, this is not my type of blade shape, but it definitely is going to be for some people. Nice choil in there. You can definitely get your finger in there comfortably. Very low profile flipper tab. Extremely. Very cool. Ergonomics, great. Yeah, ergonomic lines are great. This is wild. What do we call this? It's kind of a hawksbill. Yeah, kind of. It's a subtle hawksbill, right? Some people make more or less use out of a blade like this, right? The recurve, for me, it doesn't seem to be the most convenient blade shape, but the more aggressive it is, the less that I want to use it, right? So this is cool. I especially like the carbon fiber. This is S35VN and carbon fiber with what I'm going to guess is there's a liner on both sides, by the way. I'm going to guess that's a steel liner lock. Interesting. Not sure where that one's going to be priced at. Let's go ahead and let's just place the knife right here. That makes more sense. How about this guy? Always lots of stuff. Oh, I took the whole knife pack out of there. Okay, this is a pretty lightweight one. I'm going to guess this is going to be a smaller knife. Ooh, yeah. And something in the less expensive territory, I'm thinking, because we are looking at micarta. Can we focus? Yeah, there we go. Maybe we should turn the exposure up just a little bit, so you guys can see just a little bit better. Nice little EDC sized, or at least, little very lightweight, compact EDC size knife. 154 cm. Interesting. Very cool. Oh, this is very cool. I think a lot of people will enjoy this knife. Man, I'm hoping this one's available. I'm really hoping I can give you guys a link for this, because it's nice and smooth. Oh, can we? Yeah, we can reverse flick it. It's like a titanium pocket clip right there. Little countersunk steel liner lock. Nice brown micarta. Nice little 154 cm EDC blade. This is a Dirk Pinkerton design. Very cool. Little Main Street. Is that what this is called? Really? Okay, let's take a look here. Is that what it is? Yeah. Okay, Little Main Street. What was the first one? Sorry. First one's called the Copperhead. That's this guy. And this guy is the Little Main Street. Interesting name. All right. But man, I do like it. Very easy to manipulate considering how small it is. This is a 3-finger position knife, but a nice little EDC sized Wharncliffe where you can do the... Oh man, I think people are really going to like that. That's cool. I like that a lot. I'm really hoping this one comes in at a reasonable price. I'm guessing micarta and 154 from Concept. I'm guessing this is probably a pretty... I'm trying to reverse flick it with the left hand to demonstrate how easy it is. Non-dominant hand is my left hand, and I can easily reverse flick this knife, and I'm impressed by that considering how, you know, small it is. Yeah, very cool. Okay, lay that guy out here. Should we get the blade out on this guy too? And the last one. Tight. That's a tight box. Dialogue. Poor choice of dialogue. Okay, let's move on. And, ooh, okay. This is a different looking one. Come on now. What do we have here? Interesting. Front flipper. Very cool. Very different. They've obviously stepped out of the... Oh, it's very smooth. Can we get the... Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice... that's going to do it for the fidgety folks out there. Look at this subtle... It's not a choil. It's just an area that is shaped specifically. A lot of times when companies do a knife like this and then this area is left blank, they just leave it flat. The designer here opted for this to form around the human index finger, which is awesome because then you can choke up on it and get almost a full 4-finger grip on it. Nice sheep's foot blade. That's what I'm going to call it. Plenty of access to that little hole there for the thumb, for the reverse flick. And can we get it this way? Kind of. Yeah, you can do it. You can definitely pinch open it if you want to, but I think most people are going to opt for the front flipper or the reverse flick. And I bet you can also... Yeah, you can Spidey drop it too if you want to. Black hardware on this guy, titanium. And what are we looking at? This is called a Marshall. No, Marshall Noble is maybe the designer. What is the... Let's see here. There's Copperhead. This one is definitely called the Goblin, and it's designed by Marshall Noble. And again, a nice EDC-sized knife or smaller, more compact design, S35VN. Not sure what the price is. I mean, I'm going to guess these two are probably going to be the most expensive. Probably this guy, considering it's titanium, then this guy is probably going to be quite a bit less expensive. But these are interesting. Concept is interesting in that they do obviously a wide variety of different stuff. We have stuff that's really wild like this. We have stuff that's much more kind of straightforward, simplistic, right? But they're also catering to people who like fidget factor, who like large aggressive knives, and who like, you know, kind of the more simplistic, basic, minimalist EDC style knives, right? It's a nice spread. Very interesting. This group of concept knives is definitely interesting to me. I'm pretty excited about these. I hope you guys are too. Like I said, I will link concept knives in general down below so you can see everything they've got available right now. And if these are available, these 3 are available, then I will link them individually in the description as well so you guys can check them out. Very cool. Concept, once again, I appreciate you guys sending models along for me to take a look at. You'll get full comprehensive reviews on each of these knives in the next probably 2 to 4 weeks on this channel, so be watching out for those. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.